In this video, I'm going to be going over how you can protect your YouTube account and all your valuable content from getting replaced by a robot. Hello, welcome back to this episode of How Not to Get Fired on Your Day Off, like Smokey from the movie Friday.
How the hell you gonna get fired on your day off? I don't know.
You may be the next content creator that's replaced by AI, like at McDonald's, the kiosk. When you walk in McDonald's, there are no more people. There are only the kiosks. You don't want to be like Smokey from the movie Friday and get fired on your day off because you have been replaced by generative AI. There I was doing my research because you guys know I data mine all the time. And I was going through my settings and I realized, wow, there's a new feature on YouTube that maybe I was not tracking. Because I am an avid researcher, I decided to look things up so that I can know what is going on with YouTube and all the new AI features available. Now, while some of the AI features available on YouTube, I actually do love, like the new inspiration tab that just showed up where YouTube suggests to me in my inspiration tab all the new content that I might consider making based off the content that I make that you guys resonate with. I do like AI. I use ChatGPT all the time, and Gemini is also becoming my new best friend. And no, I'm not talking about a horoscope. Gemini on Google is the equivalent of ChatGPT, whom I call Chatty Cathy for Microsoft. I use both of them on a day-to-day basis, whether I'm at my 9-to-5 job or whether I'm here building my content or coming up with my next content ideas. I think AI is a very useful tool, and if you are not with the program, it is time to get with that program. I am a little bit biased because, if you haven't checked lately, I am a humanoid, and I enjoy watching content that are made by humans rather than computers. It's just something about that human approach to content. I can definitely pick up on all the content that was made by AI, not the obvious ones with the AI generated images, but even the language that the AI models use, I can tell that it is a robot. I'd rather be entertained by you, other small content creators, than a robot. And before I get into the YouTube settings that I want you to check to make sure that they are turned off, I want to get into another small content creator who is a human, this week's Revealer in the Spotlight. You guys know I love doing Revealer in the Spotlight because it's my time to share with you and put the spotlight on somebody other than myself and share the views that I'm getting and the value that they're bringing with you. So this week, because it's Christmas and we love our Christmas treats, I know I do. I've eaten sweet potato pie. I've eaten red velvet cake already. You guys saw it yesterday on my live. And now, what in the Christmas cranberries do we have going on? Fifi Delights. Fifi is making all things from Christmas punch to cream cheese Christmas cranberry spreadable thing that you can spread over water crackers and gain all of the pounds that you're going to be looking forward to losing in January. I like watching Fifi's Delights because she gives me dessert inspirations to do in the kitchen if I ever go in the kitchen to cook. So if you have time this week or you're feeling inspired to try out a new dish for Christmas, make sure you check out Fifi's Delights. I will leave all of her contact information below so that you can connect with her and share the love and share the views. Now it's time to get into the features that you should be aware of so that you don't train your dragon like in the Game of Thrones and that dragon comes back to set you on fire. So what you want to do is go to your desktop, or you can do these on your phone. You can check your settings on the phone. You go to your Chrome browser or your Safari browser by just typing www.studio.youtube.com. And once you have it open, you go down to the settings tab. You know, the little wheel down in the left section of your screen. You click the little wheel tab. And then you go to channel, and then I want you to go up to channel settings. I want you to scroll all the way down to where you see third-party settings. And in third-party settings, it says, allow third-party companies to train AI models using my channel content. I think not. It also says, if you select this option, YouTube may share your videos with a third-party company, provided that you and all the other applicable rights holders, this means that other people that you've given rights away to your channel, The training permission status of all the videos will be available through a publicly accessible interface. I think I will opt out of this feature personally because number one, I don't like sharing all of my data, yet alone all of my content with a third-party app. That's number one. And an app that could actually replace my artistic voice and my content in order to publicize it. And then maybe I don't even get credit for it. I think no. That's a hard no for me. It's a hard pass. I suggest you leave the button unclicked so that you and your content will be protected. I think this is a quiet threat to us small content creators because it kind of shows us that maybe we are replaceable. We're not like that Beyonce song, Irreplaceable. We can be replaced at any minute by a robot. One major reason why I'm choosing to opt out of this feature is because I want to maintain creative control over my own content. If I'm replaceable by a robot, how many pennies do you think YouTube will pay me as a small content creator? I want you to think about that and think about if you want to be in control as much as you can of your content and of your income. Another reason why I'm choosing to opt out of this feature is because I am a brand and so are you. And I want to maintain control of that brand. And I hold my branding very close and dear to my heart. I want to maintain control over that. So if I train a robot, if I train AI how to copy me or how to become me, how much control will I have over my brand? I have no idea. So because of that, I'm going to opt out of that feature. And again, I love AI. I love the conveniences that it provides. I love the time that it saves me. It assists me on doing all the jobs that I have to do on a daily basis more efficiently and with more ease. So for that, I'm grateful for innovation and tech and where we're going with AI, just not from a super creative point like generative AI on YouTube for content creators. I hope this video has served you well. I hope you've learned something, and I hope you go to your YouTube settings and you check things out so that you are aware of all the changes that happen in the world of content creation. You can always rely on your brown auntie, and if you want more help, make sure you check out my coaching programs over on the Stan Store so that I can help you grow your brand, grow your YouTube channel, and grow your mindset. I love you guys. I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you next time.